All right. All right. All right. It's Friday. Thank God. I'm looking forward to it. Looks like a beautiful weekend. Got a few outdoor activities planned. Got the family coming up. Doing the dad thing. Friday looks good. So really nothing going on here in the news. Let's just check that out one more time. Yep, nothing going on. And next week, new home sales probably the biggest thing. We got some feds talking. But that's it. We got Barkin today at 9. We'll see what he has to say. And let's get right to it. Yo, look at Bitcoin, man. Fell apart this morning. I didn't even see anything related to it. I just woke up and saw that Bitcoin dropped, broke that trend line. But look at that, how solid that trend line is. If you played that, forget about it. And we were bullish pending that line. So our bullish bias passed. And this is the 240. When did it drop? Oh, about 8 o'clock last night, between 8 and 12. There's your first flag right there. Looks like it's setting up another flag. Might have another leg down. Give us a test to that 20 mark. But I didn't hear anything about it. That definitely looks news-driven. Take a look at oil. Oil, this is the weekly. It's putting in a weekly hammer. We'll know at the end of the day. It's holding the support right here. So we're bullish pending the support based on that hammer. If it breaks the high of this week, next week, then we're bullish on oil. And we'll just keep an eye on that. And when we take a quick look at gold really, there's nothing going on. And bonds, I'm actually neutral on bonds. It broke that little trend line there, but it's holding the support right here. So we're going to keep an eye on it for the day. And oh, I'm looking at the wrong one there. There you go. Yeah, we're just neutral on bonds. And then that just takes us to the ES. The ES. Well, the ES is actually quite interesting. Let's just take a look at that weekly and how that weekly's adding up. There you go. Looks like a reversal doji. I mean, depending on how we close today, we're down right now. So, actually, let's get over to the futures. There you go. So we're putting in that reversal doji. So I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back next week. And yet, you know, a healthy, I'm looking for something like 40-50 or so. That'd be a good healthy pullback. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm thinking we have a couple of weeks of down movement. You know, put in that trend reversal pattern and then look to break that high. See if the confidence will remain in the market. You know, we get a couple of weeks of down market and the psyche gets all fucked up. But that is a healthy retrace. So we'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, if we break this week's low next week, then we're going to start moving down. So that's it, man. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, add your comments. Come early, come often. Everybody have a nice weekend.